What is going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. Yes, I know it's been some time, been busy, but I'm glad to be back at it. And yes, we are doing a what's in the box with some fire kicks that I got from Adidas. Yes, they collaborated with Marvel to do, I guess you could say, a limited series. They got 6 shoes dedicated to a superhero. I picked up one of them. I'm gonna try to get the other ones, but I definitely picked up these because at the time, these are like by far the best looking ones. And then I'll talk about the rest of them afterwards. So without further ado, let's get into this beautiful box here that Marvel and Adidas took their lovely time creating. You know I'm keeping this box. And at first glance, you're like, oh, it just looks nice until you touch on it. And maybe I can show you by or not. It doesn't really do a good job of that. Let me see if I can get myself out of there. Nope. Well, when you feel the top, it's not that it's like embossed, but it's like, I wouldn't say engraved because it's not like going in, but you can feel Marvel, you know, you can feel Adidas. And then on the side here, it's called Hero Elite Series. So, as I said, 6 superheroes got a different pair of shoes from Adidas, and the pair I got is relevant to the NBA playoffs right now because somebody was going nuts in the first round, eliminating the team that I think a lot of people thought was going to actually do the eliminating. And as we open the box, before we open the box, we got Vision, we got Iron Man, we got Thor, we got Groot, we got a little pic here of the Hulk, we got Winter Soldier, we got another one of Iron Man, Cap, must be Black Widow. Over here we got Captain Marvel. We got Black Panther. And the list goes on. Is that Rocket or Falcon? It's either Rocket or Falcon right there, if you guys can tell. They don't do a good job of really giving them much shine. I think it's Rocket, it is Rocket. The reason why it's Rocket because you have Groot right here. And so that would make sense for that to be Rocket on his shoulder. So now that I've done too much talking, let's get into this box here. I've been waiting on these, and surprisingly, I got these pretty quick. Ordered these on Friday when they released. They came on Tuesday. So I guess you could say next day or second day delivery or whatever. So that was dope. Appreciate it, Adidas. As we open the box here, you smell that good whooshiness from the paper. It says Adidas and Marvel on this printed paper here. That's dope. It's hard for me to see, but you guys can see it's clear as day through the camera. And oh my Lord, I'm a ball in these, but I think I'm only gonna do it like once or twice because I feel like not only are they collectible, these are like a wearing type shoe. So I don't want to wear these out on the basketball court, but I would definitely rock them like once. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Before I show you the shoe, y'all see I got my Peyton here right now. I'm figuring out somewhere to put him for now, but y'all see Mr. Stark right here. Iron Man is in the building, but the shoe I got was not his. I got this Boss. Oh my Lord. Wakanda forever. I got this Black Panther Dame 5, right? Woo! Now, at first glance, I was kind of opposed to this piece here because I kind of didn't know the point of it. But then like with the black on black is dope. And then I saw he had another Dame 5 that had this in another color that was like, you know, a polar opposite color of the shoe. So it's okay. It depends on the colorway or the color wear of the shoe you get. So with this one, of course, I didn't mind this. Look at this. Look at this. What? Y'all see the purple? Y'all see, it feels good. I don't want to say mesh per se, but it feels amazing. Over here, it's a little more rigid. It feels good. It feels like it's made out of vibranium. I'm not even going to like front. And then of course, if you guys can see here, boom, maybe it will catch it. Don't catch me. If I catch it, oh, my bad. If you guys can see, it's Black Panther's helmet or his mask on the tongue. That is dope. And then of course, like around the collar of the shoe, it's kind of like a collar material or sock material, which is dope, just thicker, of course, and more comfortable. That's dope. And then, oh, so it does. Whoa, whoa. Okay, so the left foot, the left shoe on the heel, on the spine of the shoe, it says Wakanda. And then Dame's signature right here in the mid piece here. The bottom, black and purple. This, what the Adidas? What in the world? Oh my goodness. All right, so this is the left shoe, right? The left shoe says Wakanda. All right. Oh my, what? Oh my goodness. And then the right shoe. Woo! The right shoe. The right shoe says forever. Come on, like what? So you got Wakanda forever. Oh my goodness. What? Wakanda forever. I mean, what? Adidas, beautiful. And the right shoe is also different because on the tongue of this one, you got the Dame signature, Damian Lillard. You got his signature. He put a 50 piece on the Thunder. He silenced Russell Westbrook. I love Russell Westbrook, but I've always been a Dame Lillard fan. Dame time has always been about that Dame time, and he showed up and showed out in that series against the Thunder, and doggone near single-handedly took them out. So much respect to Damian Lillard. I wish Brandon Roy was still playing with Portland. Would he have possibly been retired by then? Possibly, since he was more like late 2000s. Like before 2010 kind of type deal, 2010, 2011 maybe. But nonetheless, what? And then the inside of the shoe, you get a red bottom. And as you guys can see in there, it says Adidas Marvel. So, whoa, right? Guys, this is by far the best looking shoe in my opinion. Ooh, you see that? Adidas Marvel. Ooh, this was by far the best looking shoe to me. I really dug this shoe. That's why I got it. And like I said, it seems like it's more of a wearing, walking, kind of show it off type shoe as opposed to balling in it. Now, no doubt I will ball in this a few times. You know, I do got a pair of the Hardens that you guys saw. Ironically or coincidentally, it was another purple collegiate color. But yeah, I don't want to jack these up. They're light, so they're light on the feet. Good grip as I can feel from the bottom, and not gonna weigh you down. I wear size 13, so as you guys can see, this shoe looks big, gigantic. You know what I'm saying? But whoa, like, and then I didn't say anything, like it's like really soft to the touch, almost like what Velcro would attach to. It's for the Adidas symbol. I think on both shoes. Oh, okay. I just noticed Adidas symbol is only on the exterior, on the outside of the shoe. So crazy shoe, crazy shoe. Now the other 5 heroes that they made shoes for was I gotta just be like, what? Oh my goodness, I don't even know. But yeah, the other 5 heroes was Iron Man, of course, and of course you're kind of like, hold up, you got Iron Man right there. Stark is in the building is my motto on here. Iron Man is my favorite superhero. Why didn't I pick up his hardened variant of the Tony Stark Iron Man shoe? Well, that's because it was not that great looking. I don't know what happened in the creative process of that shoe, but it did not live up to the hype of these Black Panthers. And it's not that it's ugly, it's just like, it feels like more of a collectible shoe than it is like a shoe you'd really wear like that. And of course it would have his helmet or mask on a tongue, and then most likely Harden symbol on the other tongue. And then on the spine of the shoe, it says Stark Industries, which is dope. Red and yellow would be the Adidas stripes and whatever. So yeah, it was okay. Then they had a Captain America shoe with one of Adidas, I think it's called Next Level or Pro Level shoe. I think it's Next Level. And it has no laces that I could see. I think it's like a form-fitted shoe, or like maybe a Titans in some way, shape, or form. That shoe looked dope. It's like it's really high top-ish looking. That shoe really caught my attention. Thor's shoe caught my attention. That was pretty cool. And then Captain Marvel had a shoe that looked real nice. And then one more got a shoe, and I can't think of who it is right now. Oh, Nick Fury. Nick Fury got a shoe. So I said Nick Fury, Tony Stark, Dame Lillard, Captain Marvel, Captain America, and Thor. So 6 shoes. Yep. Those are all the ones that got a shoe. And the crazy part about these shoes, which is also why they caught my attention immediately, is if you guys seen Black Panther, do you remember the scene when Shuri was clowning T'Challa for his like old ancient sandals he was wearing? Especially given that he's from Wakanda and they got all kinds of tech. And she gave him those high-tech type sandals that like formed his foot instantly. That's what these reminded me of, especially when you look at it from top. Now, I don't think he had any purple in those shoes, of course, but nonetheless, this shoe's very reminiscent of that scene. The other thing I noticed about this shoe, of course, is small but minor, but the Adidas symbol here is also like platinum, silver, glowing, not glowing, but you know what I'm saying? Like it shines. So that's another nice detail of the shoe. So, whoa. So I'm gonna try these on and then I'm gonna see if I can show you guys and get some pictures of it. So hopefully you guys appreciated it, and I can't wait to wear this shoe. I'm probably gonna wear it tomorrow. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna rock these out. Just break them in a little bit. I'm excited. But your boy, Versatile, is signing out. And until the next video. Wakanda forever. Woo! The Black Panther will be street. Anyway. Anyway.